So we back at V&B wholesale, and we about to get my boy right. Yes, sir. About to get him right. Can show y'all that dual exhaust.
Costs $23.
23. All right, let's just see this total.
Yeah, to see how much this costs.
And then we're gonna figure it out from there. Once I get all this done today. That'd be calm. You gonna want to soon, I know it. But yeah, we're gonna finish the transactions and we're gonna talk to y'all after. We ended up getting everything. Now we're gonna get them put on. You know, I don't know how long that's gonna take. I would say go back and see how much we would charge for that, but
We should.
you want to? I don't even care. I got all day. But we'd have to take your car back. Would you have the money like to do it now, if you wanted to?
How much would you think?
I'd say around like 150, another 100. He's like, gotta check the account. Gotta check the account. But yeah, well, so we got this. Remember, keep coming back to V&B Wholesale. Say Rojo Cars brought you. There's a number right there if y'all need anything. Hit them up, or you can ask me for questions. Come with me if you're in Chicago or whatever. I'll gladly side with y'all. So yeah, but we just got that, and we gonna get that put on. Then we're gonna show y'all the after video on that. I know it's gonna sound like a demon. So
You said 150?
yeah, bro. Do it? You wanna do it today? Oh shit, he's balling. I'm kidding. Well, wait, we gonna see y'all. This gonna be going up. That mug about to be gone. Second car. Got mufflers done. And this is the second job today. We just was here. Just got the resonator, stick it out. And I'm about to do this muffler. It's not gonna sound beautiful. This guy got bread, bro. He just spent like $400. Hell yeah. No. This shit's love, G. Love. So we about to see what we can do. I'm gonna show you guys the process of it, bro. You see these coils? That was cold too. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna keep y'all posted. Alright, so you putting that on. Boy, that whole setup look beautiful, bro. You see this? Jeez. Hey, this setup looks mean. Look at this. That setup looks mean to the camera. For real. Yeah, getting her done. Getting her done. Ooh, shit. That's just gorgeous, bro. That's just gorgeous. Getting her done, bro. Oh, bro, but I see y'all posted. We're putting them on and everything. Muffler gone. Look, bro, we got 2 things done today, bro. That's just crazy. 1 muffler, bro. We going crazy, G. We going crazy out here. Look at that. Straight pipe all the way. And to that muffler, bro, this just gonna sound mean as hell, bro. This gonna sound mean. Yes, sir. No muffler. Muffler gone. Bro, this thing is huge, bro. I can't get over it how big this looks. Look at my foot. I can't get over how huge this shit is, bro. Why? Why, BMW? Why? Why? Huge. Alright, look at that, though.
Okay, buddy.
That's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah, look. Right.
That's gonna be, bro. Look at this. This is gonna be stupid. This is gonna be stupid, bro. I can't wait. Alright, y'all. Yes, sir. So you got the white pipe part in, and we're almost done. We just gotta connect that part and the white pipe. So that's gonna be an easy part. That's easy. And you can't wait for it to start though. Can't wait. It's gonna be fucking mean as hell, bro. Mean as hell. My name wasn't on the car, but I bought that myself. Got this part going on. We almost done, man. Yes, sir. Put in, man. It's getting put in, dude. That looks mean, dude. Tell me that's not gonna look mean, yo. You see this? I just gotta be weather down there, and then we straight. Get it from this angle. Bro. Bro. Yeah, we about to get started, bro. We're gonna see how this might sound. That mug, look at the setup. Look at the setup, though. Look at the setup. Look at the setup. Hold on, let's have that mug stick out the mook a little bit, though. It's clean. I love that. I know. It's a clean setup, bruh. Alright, we're gonna hear how this mug sound in 1 second, dude. It's gonna be cold. Gonna spray it down. Yes, sir. See that steam, bro? Burning rubber already, bro. Burning rubber already. I should put car gets set on fire. It's not moving. Oh, there it is. Indeed. Yes, sir. Hold on, what you see on those? These look kind of similar to what I got, huh? The rush on that mug. Got rush on that mug. This whole setup looks mean. This setup looks mean, bro. Hold on, this is the startup. Let's see it. Let's see it. We gotta see it. Oh shit. Come on, you blow me all the time. Oh, you said careful. You got some competition, bro. Bro, I don't know, Ro. I don't know. Holy shit. Holy shit. Hey, yo. This is idle right now, bro. This is idle.
That shit crazy.
What the fuck? What the hell? Dude, y'all hear that? Bro, look, in the sunlight, bro. What? I gotta hear another rev, dude. Y'all hear that idle rev? Oh, dude, bro. Oh shit, I'm close now. What's up? Yeah, go ahead. Yo, Yo, G, do y'all hear the pops? This is a drive. Go to like 3 RPMs and then get off. Get off.
Huh?
Oh, you gotta make. I don't know if it's gonna pop. Try manual mode.
Manual?
Yeah.
Oh man, this is what I would have wanted.
Dude, this sounds nuts. So go to like 3-4 RPM and then let off. Is that like? Is it?
I don't know.
Maybe that's not manual mode. Well, not manual mode. Maybe that's not sport. Is that lower gear? You think? This one sounds gorgeous though. I'm trying to figure out how it pops.
Yeah.
Because I know you have to go on higher RPM and then let go. What time is it? Hold on, we're gonna be back with y'all, but this mug sounds beautiful, bro. Look at this.
Hell yeah.
This fucking shit is cold as hell, bro. Dude, I'm more excited than he is.
For real. This is the first time I ever done this, so it's like,
hell yeah.
I'm still like,
hell yeah.
when he turned it on, I was like,
what the fuck? Dude, it was such a difference because the resonator didn't do shit.
Right.
I told you that shit was blocking it, bro. Like the just that whole fucking muffler was just blocking it, blocking the sound. This motherfucker sounds gorgeous. There's a slippage. Oh shit. But I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gonna see what I can do about sound and see if we can test the sound a little bit somewhere. But other than that, this might be the end of the video. I'm gonna end it right here just for now and then see what happens. Blah 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 blah. But see y'all next time. Alright, bro. No problem. Shit. Let's see the pool. Get in my garage. Oh, shit. Shit sounds mean. I want to find his ass because I'm about to go get food before I go to work. Shit, I just locked my door. There we go. But, you know, that's really the end of this video today. And, yeah, so... All right, y'all.